Looks like they might have a chain coming off. What's the matter? You get a link broken?
Chain threads just came loose. It's supposed to be hooked in like that on the other side. It came off. I don't know how, but I'm gonna have to go take it off because I don't want it just flapping around. Here, let me do this.
Can I interweave it and hook it on or something, or did you lose something from it, like when we were trying to pull the tree through the other?
It looks like it just opened up enough in there that it came off the chain on the other side. So I'll have to take it off and hook it back on and press it.
Okay. We're just gonna go up the hill though. There you go. Shit happens. He's just taking it off so he can fix it later. He's gonna take it up the hill.
Alright, I'm gonna load up some wood, take up to the house.
Okay.
Alright, so here's the tire chain that came off the tractor. The one that we showed earlier where the one chain came loose. There it is. So we're gonna lay this out as flat as I can. Might have noticed I cleaned up a little bit. Yeah. Interestingly enough, it's the one on the very end. So, but it's supposed to have this hooked in right here, and somehow it managed to pull itself out. So we're gonna have to open these up a little bit and hook those back in. Make sure it's not twisted or anything, so it's got to go in just like that. But first things first, we got to get it opened up enough to get it back on, and then we can clamp it back down. So I think the easiest way is going to take a nice cold chisel, maybe stick it in here and pound it open. One. Now, if you can see, I'm just slipping that chisel in there and getting it opened up. Now you want to make sure that it's not twisted up, because you don't want the parts that bite into the snow, you don't want those on the tire side. You want the smoother side of the chain on the tire. Alright, so now it's back on. And that should sit. Let's see, maybe. Okay, like that. And you see that all the pointy sides are all up. Just banged it back down. Now it's repaired. So it's really not a bad idea just to go along. Since that one popped off, I'm just going to make sure I check all of these. This one looks like it's open a little bit, you know, so not a bad time to just pound them down just a little if they look like they're opened up. So, and check everything. Everything, I mean, they look really good. These chains are fairly new. We've only had the tractor about 1.5 years, and I got these chains right when we bought it. So they've been really good in the snow. I like them a lot. But everything looks pretty good. Now we can get them back on. We can get it going again.